everyone, I am the Autistic Girl and welcome to another voiceover video. In this video, I will be making the bullet journal setup for the month of February. Before I start making the setup, I wanted to let you guys know the theme of this month's bullet journal setup. The theme is of course Valentine's Day, but it's heavily inspired by the February cover page I made last year. The link for that video is in the description below. I first made the border of the cover page so that I could evenly space the lines. I then wrote February in a freehand or hand-drawn type font. Then I drew the rest of the lines. After that, I took some rough sheet and drew a heart on it, which I then cut out and pasted on the page. Even though the cover page was technically done, I felt like something was missing, and so I made another cutout and pasted it on the page. On the next page, I'm going to draw the mood tracker. In my January Bujo setup video, I drew an index, but I did not find that index to be that helpful as I had already made an overall index at the beginning. You can check out the January Bujo setup video, the link is in the description below. For the mood tracker, I drew different sizes and styles of hearts on the page. But then I faced another problem. I had drawn exactly 28 hearts and there was no space to make the color scheme. So I made another cutout and pasted it on the page. I made some additional cutouts to decorate the page. I gave numbering to the hearts for my own convenience. So basically what I'll do now is that I'll color in the heart according to the number. If it is 8th February, then I'll color the heart which is number 8. Now I'll make the setup for the first week. According to the calendar, the first week of Feb is from Wednesday to Sunday. First, I will make the boxes for the tasks. As you can see, I messed up. I wrote Monday instead of Wednesday. I also didn't mention the date. lined the boxes with fluorescent pink watercolor brush pen. I then give some detailing with the black gel pen. I gave more space to the dream diary because dreams tend to be more lengthy than the gratitude list. And that's the end, everyone. I hope you liked the video and that the art sparked some creativity in you. If it did, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, check out the description for more info. Stay tuned.